Okay, I got an idea for you guys with all your new LED bars and whatnot. If you're running them out in the sand, eventually this plastic lens, this Lexan, it's just going to get wasted. Best idea I came up with here is just, why not? Take some of your regular old Scotch shipping tape, something that's really nice, got a crystal clearness to it, and just throw it over the lens like when it's brand new. Think of it like a clear bra on a brand new car. Place them down right here just like this. Push it in all nice in the corners with your thumbnail and whatnot. See, this is brand new, and since you're running on your sand toys, you want to keep it new. Protect your investment. Just lay it down nice and flat, get all the air bubbles out, whatnot, and then just cut it really thin right here with a brand new razor blade, ready to rock. That way, a couple trips out, gets blasted, peel the corner, throw on a new piece of tape. Simple, smart, easy.